This is the public group, and we started here today, euro odd. So the first signal which was given in euro odd, it was a great win, 5 minutes. Again, I also explained that in the last video. 5-minute signal, it was given here, euro odd here, and if you see, again, it was a multi-confirmation trade. The price fell down very badly here and stopped from this level. We drew a zone, and when the price came back, hit it, it reversed. Amazing win. And then the VIP started. The first signal in the VIP was given in Euro USD. Let's go to Euro USD. Again, the same kind of signal. This was a wick. This level left a huge wick here. The price, it was just, I don't know if it was a news candle or something at that time. But at the next candle, it tried to go up, but then rejected from this level. I drew a level here, and then again, moving average 25 EMA was also there. So I gave a down trade on it, and it was a great win as well. Next was in GBP CAD. GBP CAD. Again, the same thing. The price, huge candle, stopped by this level. I drew a level, and then again, merging with the moving average, I gave a down trade on this one. Again, and a great win. Next was in GBP CHF. This was a level here. This was a zone. It rejected the price twice after an uptrend tried to come down, but then it was rejected by this area. I drew a level, a zone, and then gave the signal towards the upside when the price tried to hit it, and it was an amazing win. Again, the same thing, moving average. You can see how beneficial it is when you stick to one strategy over and over again. Even the last video, most of the signals were with the same strategy. And again, even today, you see the signals. Euro odd first was a win. Euro USD, GBP CAD, non-Martingale signals. You don't have to use Martingale. You can use like double the amount on the next signal, but the same amount same signal, you don't have to double it. And also, you got to focus on your psychology as well, because while you're trading, and even if there are like 1 or 2 losses, you don't really have to get frustrated with it. Rather, wait, and wait for the best signal to come, and hopefully you'll get it. So I hope you understand what I've been trying to make you guys understand. I hope you focus on your mind. I hope you focus on the best of the trades. And I hope you continue to do the good work. All right, then I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. Just watch, understand, and boom, practice. That's all. See you guys. Bye-bye.